bro nim kakra.
Okay. Men fan link it to Carlos Correa as
okay, sure.
Okay, no. Rich, me sure say you're a definitive or a stereotype you are in football. Yes, says how kind on your fast ball. See any bisa. Football basically about results. At the end of the day, if you're able to grind out results, because in competition, I boy we are. Ya trust say team way na J. Now team no J no nya de nso aje. History and Kaisa no. The name about the OJ. Me pacho, me nim sorry 98 World Cup na. Sorry heavy.
France.
98 World Cup so open team back home, my good football pie was the Netherlands. Go watch them again. That time no more ball, rich. Now they were simply a delight to watch. Croatia yeah come once in ya Croatia no. Omo ball papa, Boban mo squad no. But rich your ball competition no France no only the most exciting team. Opa Korea even against Italy. Kokohe. Na Kokohe omo a game no second round no. Kokohe omo game on ball was it Czech Republic team na escaping me and Paraguay say on a Slavet. Kokohe France games oh boy. But the bottom line is that they won the competition. At the end of the day, you know, you say France at the World Cup. And you know what's in the kind. Greece, Otoregal team now or the omo AJ. So boring Greece team no. Rich. About competition no Portugal talent na Ukraruko tamo. So squad no. And no ball on baby boy, including France. France are no ye European champions. I know Guso a defending the title. Shabolo na boy. Portugal, sorry, Greece ball ben obe boy. But what show ni there their core history say we're a champion. So Rich, start conversation there. Mistress yam fanto so. Yam fanto nchen. Na mum de na ehia me ana me hwini. Actually competition na ye ba be kono World Cup no. Ghana ade ba ku ye clear. Yentimi nkobobo with the talent the Free Lions of England e dey bo eba no. Yentimi nkobobo enche England from the goalkeeping department to attack. Omo talent e bro so reality a woman no. Yentimi nkobobo enche the Croatia. Yes, we may have that youthful exuberance ebe wo. But yankon nkobobo enche with the quality omukra. Probably Panama ye betimi no ako toe to some extent. But so share against Brazil Panama ball or boy na. Me sure say bia wagene at a point on the Brazil ball possession was 50-50 Me sure say bia wagene no be side drum me say who beti the name Panama but ball no they've come of age. So rich ye gene kwaye first why competition na ye betimi akoye nim. And Ghana will suffer the most. Ye group no. Any team ye be brepa in terms of say opponents elbow ball or bossy game and answer consistently press and eban ye be suffer more. Hence I will see a prepare your psyche. Ye team no towards that. Hey you might not respect Wolves, but Craig Bellamy why you map out team no so all Wolves for no almost ball almost but generally you come to appreciate a Juma Craig Bellamy ayo team no. And to me na nye see a be bossy game ni hear me. Rather na me share how you bet me a defend an organizational structure. How compact ye be? Say low block me low block no ye kwa ni say na me share sa niema no na in transition so how quick ni be in transition. Now the few chances and so e be buy in way no would we be able to utilize them or flood those chances?
Because for the very first time you two central air defenders are.
Yes.
Perfect.
So virtually no chemistry, no telepathy.
In Joromo Poku and then Jonas Ajete. Solid Ajete,
but honestly, I was really impressed with the performance being churned out by this gentleman. The Onkasa Ajete, the guy was solid.
He
hardly got a 14 wrong game. He was almost impeccable.
Yeah. Even super
at a point na all free mono. Also na ya na ase ama communication na ye bre. Or free mono.
Moving by no.
So only say enya a tall on our game. And na me share how our players no so omo performance or on better nedi. Na me share sa niam ni nyina. Enti rich me de na nya ba before the game okay me catch her ha. Say yen hwekwa ye befa so defend. Na ye be resolute in defending.
But you see the multi-billion question is say for how long
yes
can you defend because game now go 90 minutes plus the referee back on and to say you can your group in England
yes
your Croatia
yes.
and your Panama
yes.
Panama the Ebeka say ya for no to some extent
yes.
so what I say
yes.
but for England and then Croatia
yes.
these are two teams are experience,
yes, quality,
Bibiano, or more so the
it, yes.
For how long now? Bet me sitting back and defending against these two teams.
Rich, you have, but you would have no
two game no man is simple.
There be on two man is simple. Just be disciplined. Dia wo ye biano uti on the pitch no. Dia wo ye biano. No dia wo ye na hu se unya right. Because Rich unim, Mr. Ghana in England na bobo. Na ye mum ye possess. Na yen ye pussy more. Me embassy me. Do you know why? Because minim said there's a deadly striker up front. More na ye committing more men up front. Say ye impressive. Na probably a person play to the gallery. Ye pushing more men up front. No, am I here vulnerable?
Hey, football who could about what they do the ball.
That is the general impression. But and yes, I'm here. And all the time that is so rich. So when you walk, maybe. And yes, Arsenal, or they call Champions League grand finale. And we be say the Arsenal not you Arsenal no season. Yeah, sounds now even at a point this season, so we observe here, Pep Guardiola no you. Okay, you say season Arsenal against Man City. So again now finally a bear 1-1. At a point, Guardiola was rather defending. But he's not a son on the good footballer or on defender on set back. Rich. Identify the talent you have at your disposal. Who strength, then who weakness. Now you dear, I did the expected results, Beba. And only the most important thing. So we are new, we are rich. You are good to go. Now the balance, how the Beba team to say, for instance, you may feel they say. And then I may share the my observation. I'm here and they say your boss see about Calabrinchi. That guy is super. He's superb. You're more Calabrinchi. Now you're more pate, and you're free. Now Calabrinchi. With the energy on Isibo rather. Omunya sa adwuma no midfield so omu na be disorientate midfield no. Omunya sa nwode adwuma ni nyina. No mama pate enya kwan and dictate game space. That's what I say. Get the balance right. Who so will be say enes niyama na amanfo ka na asem ba. Niyama enra that guy was super.
Have faith, Nhyira.
Yeah, kind of 32 minutes now. But say sometimes, and to all say, Carlos Correa in a way got vindicated. Yes, Abia the issue of Baba Rahman, Yebebaso. But Nhyira Diana, she knew overall performance. At a point, Upobia, no to me the ball a pussy. Or be a no to me those runs, no? Or be a not unse clearly. Or you know who game because you're born one. My observation by Correa, I'm a bit worried. Most of our passes, now square passes. Near my penetrative passes, no square passes, no, and another bonny more. Hence, near to me, hurting an opponent, near to me, and drive your to their theater. Me who side and waiting, but say, near my edge baller, near my ball pay, born on for manity, or the theater opponent, the bona or bono, who say more purposeful, and not on your selfish. Patro who assists now, the my go no buy. Also, and not Jordan, also penny for the casa. Because at a point, Usha when you position now in quick transition, you expecting say anchor the ball no be Jordan. Now outside, sorry, Jordan the ball no be man. Now outside Danny. A delay in game, slow in game now. Sanya man kitten no say, ye shem we jumani ye coupled with even the goaler you concede.
Okay.
We go near concede, you near to me who ever.
Now, what do we know?
One. Baba Rahman, it was so unfortunate because Oba game virtually with 10 minutes to spare. Prior to so Obama, Yanti was say Gideon Mensah. No, so at a point he had been dribbled past about 4 or 5 occasions. No, but because say mistake and free the and lead it to go no. And no Baba Rahman and prior to the game, not yet kind of wants more. Hence Obama no man for behind with that microscopic look. And Rich, honestly speaking,
I didn't know be winning.
Oh, there be some unim issues are about before say about the competition.
Team will defend and defenders are going to defend you.
Rich, but at that point, maybe no crepa ni say uti. The two say back up any defend. But at that point, mistake no was from Baba Rahman.
But if you answer Baba Rahman aside.
Rich, that tie. time our ball the baby do definitely
Osha Christopher Bunzuba. He lost it.
Rich, I agree. He lost it, but maybe baby a ball utie. Son, and you may be a game. I agree, say he lost it. And Saturday I told me bit me out to be a problem because him play
and a ball na call. Baba say bia say ko betimi atwa no so betimi agebo no wantimi anye. Even a Branton cross a ball call 18 about no. Look at Obi to say Ajete and then Abdulmumin.
Oh, Rich Mebaho.
And even the goalkeeper. That goal is a no Baba Nkwa no be able to.
No, for goal no me goalkeeper ne there. Goal no blame na enyi. Omo ka ba ni positioning. Angle about the kokotoy.
Okay.
And not even the world best goalkeeper could have solved the situation. Okay. The angle now about the kokotoy. But Rich, me problem. Minya ohoni. And the point. Oh, your left back. Player no, the strength I want the right. Rich, what do? Cover the space. Make sure say, oh man, no opportunity no. Ama or no, ne cultured right no. On fire no, and yes, across no. Because or the no you deadly. Yeah. And what do? So cover space now. Rich, you are barely say ne go be no. And you either say or the ball back on the left. Across here, on to me cross in here. And answer or best also at the ball up push it back. Meaning so when you point no hand or be push it back. Oh nya kwa yes effective cross na or yeah. So Sanya man he must be talked to generally who say just 10 minutes. On one or buy no when your balls sir.
And you don't settle.
Yes, no, okay. No, a best settled.
Okay, Mati.
Right, finally na minianum enya kwembram. So observations say the door so by enya Sure. Right, finally. Yen sign share adie we. O check the number of crosses are ekoi. Any free headers are walls for nyai. At a point I could count as many as 7. Rich are dangerous and good for us.
Okay.
In as much as you're dealing with some of the in-swingers or pull out about crosses, Rich, the danger woman ye. When you play against the Croats, are almost almost strikers are almost and Modeno. Exactly. And we say, oh, your technical team, no, they must be talked to.
Okay. Also, general impression.